Shri K. Srinivas Rao, Dr. S.K. Jha, my senior from same institute, and other dignitaries on the dais, the students here, the future of India, my colleagues from ECIL. It is heartening to see at least 2 teams participating this year, so it is superb, and other colleagues from the industry. It's an honor for me to be here today to celebrate the achievements and milestones in the journey of Quality Circle Forum of India Hyderabad chapter towards promoting and sustaining quality excellence. As we celebrate this event, we recognize the critical role that quality plays in every facet of our operation and how it shapes our path forward. Hyderabad has always been a happening place and it is contributing a lot towards research, innovation, high-tech manufacturing in the country. Today, as we validate and celebrate hard work done by you, we are eagerly waiting for the awards also. Everybody of you has performed very well. I was taking feedback from my friends here. It was excellent presentation with good competitive skill. Congratulations to each one of you. We see that the commitment towards quality management is not just a process. It is a culture which has to permeate in every level of our operations. In the process of nation building in last 10 years, we have seen remarkable improvements, achieved significant milestones and set new standards for excellence, leading towards Atmanirbharta and Make in India, now Make for World. So this team, the people sitting here, are beginner of the Amrit Kal, which will stay for next many years. And our Prime Minister's dream of 2047 will be made true by you people only. So congratulations to you. Quality management system is the cornerstone of success for all organizations. It drives our ability to meet and exceed customer expectation, ensures operational efficiency and fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Why we talk about continuous improvement? It's a competitive business. Today, anything you buy, starting from a cell phone, some other OEM is giving better features. So every year you have to improve, offer greater features, right price, and certainly good customer experience. It's about not more than just compliance. It is about striving for excellence, pushing the boundaries. It's about creating value not just for our customer but for every stakeholder involved. Once again, I will like to extend a heartfelt thank for everyone you have contributed for the quality and those initiatives. To the teams who have worked tirelessly, they would have practiced many days before coming here, and the leaders who provided direction, and the individuals who brought immovable ideas to life. Your efforts are being appreciated today. It will be always help you and the company wherein you work. Your dedication to quality is the engine that powers our success and propels the nation forward towards becoming world leader. To conclude, I want to emphasize that our pursuit of quality is a shared journey. It's a commitment not only to meet standards but to exceed them. It's about setting benchmarks that inspires others and achieving results that make us proud. I once again congratulate Quality Circle Forum of India Hyderabad chapter for organizing this event and recognizing the efforts made by the establishments and the people operating out of this region. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.